Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is arithmetic operators. So these operators are crucial for performing basic operations in your code. So let's get started. Alright, we declared two integer variables. Let's initialize them with some values. Before starting arithmetic operators, let's understand what are the operands and operations. So operands are the values or variables on which an operation is performed. They are the inputs to the operation. For example, we have this expression. So in this, 5 and 7 are operands and plus symbol is operator. Similarly, we have this expression. So in this, 10 and 6 are operands and star symbol is operator. Let's start with the addition operator. For that, I'm writing cout statement to display some message and our result. Here we use the plus operator to add a and b. Next is subtraction. Let's write cout statement for subtraction. We'll use minus symbol to subtract b from a. Now let's look at multiplication. For multiplication, we'll use star symbol. Moving to division. For division, we'll use slash symbol. Since both are integers, so we'll get the result in integer format only. And last is modulus operator. For modulus, we'll use percentage symbol. This will give us remainder if we divide a from b. Now let's run this program to see the output. Here you can see addition of a and b is 15. So our a is 10 and b is 5. And multiplication of a and b is 50. Next is division, that is a and b is 2. If we divide 10 from 5, so we'll get 2. And next is modulus of a and b. If we divide 10 from 5, so we'll get 0 as remainder. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to put a comment in video. I'll see you in next video.